The Michigan Department of Civil Rights wants to work with state and federal agencies to investigate whether Grand Rapids Police Department engages in discriminatory patterns and practices. 13 on your side's Carla Byron is in the newsroom. Carla, did the death of Patrick Lyoya prompt this?
Val, no, it didn't. It actually was the volume of complaints the department has received prior to the shooting, and the department was in contact with the Department of Justice in the past.
The Michigan Department of Civil Rights is looking into 29 individual complaints against the Grand Rapids Police Department.
And I don't want to get into the content of those because they are pending investigations. But some of them involve force. Some of them involve what might be described as racial profiling stops. So they vary.
These are complaints they've gotten over the last several years, many since 2019. As a whole, the department has received more than 60 complaints against GRPD. The department's executive director says asking the AG and Department of Justice to help investigate any discriminatory patterns and practices is rare.
I don't know if this has happened in the past, but because of the volume of complaints that we receive in that area, we felt it was necessary, and the limited resources that our department has, we felt it was necessary to collaborate with a larger law enforcement agency in order to investigate what we know already.
Should the agencies get involved, Johnson says there could be several remedies.
And we hope is that there be a realization on the department's part that there perhaps needs to be some change from within, and that they be amenable to some training, to some matters that may prove to have more accountability for those officers who may whose actions may show that they're perhaps are discriminatory intent, or certainly have some sort of racial disparity.
The Department of Civil Rights hasn't received a complaint related to the death of Patrick Lyoya. The department expects to hear back from the AG's office next week on whether they can collaborate on this effort. There's no time frame yet on hearing back from the Department of Justice. Val.